This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Infiniti Q50 vs Subaru WRX STI, which is better. Focus on performance, comfort, reliability, and cost so you can decide between them quickly. I'll walk through driving feel, interior comfort, fuel use, and expected repair needs in plain terms. Expect clear comparisons, practical pros and cons, and guidance for different priorities like commuting, weekend performance, or long-term ownership. When comparing performance, think about what thrills you versus what you use daily. The WRX STI feels eagerly taught and communicates road details sharply, while the Q50 soaks bumps and prioritizes composure. Brake feel, steering weight, and transmission behavior shape the experience more than peak numbers for most drivers. I'll explain how each car behaves in traffic, on twisty roads, and during extended highway runs so you know what to expect. If you're finding this comparison useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and more car content. Quick recommendation: the meal prep containers I showed make packing lunches after a long driveway easier and less messy, especially if you're commuting with gear. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab them if you want convenience. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Comfort matters if daily driving or long commutes are common in your life. The Q50 leans toward a quieter cabin, softer ride, and more refined materials for comfort-focused buyers. The WRX STI sacrifices some ride softness and rear comfort for chassis feedback and sport seats that keep you planted. I'll compare seating, visibility, infotainment ease, and small cargo practicality so you can match the car to your routine and passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.